Right now, there's something truly captivating yet also somewhat daunting happening. We are living in a remarkable era in history, offering more chances than ever for individuals to secure their slice of prosperity and wealth. However, it's equally concerning how many people fail to spot these opportunities right before their eyes. Here's the deal. You've got a choice to make. You can either seize these opportunities or let them pass you by, continuing to spin the hamster wheel of life where there's never enough and there's constant struggle. The ball's in your court. In this video, I'll show you precisely how to tap into these opportunities, paving the way for a life filled with purpose, freedom, and financial success. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Before we dive into that, it's essential to understand how we reached this point in the first place. Our human history can be divided into 3 distinct stages, each offering unique opportunities for a select few to accumulate wealth. For most of our existence, we led relatively modest, nomadic lives, primarily focused on hunting and gathering for sustenance. During this time, physical strength often determined who the wealthy individuals were, as they excelled in hunting and acquiring goods through force. This initial stage persisted for the majority of human history. The second stage marked a gradual but noticeable increase in prosperity. We transitioned to agriculture, which provided a more stable and promising food supply. This shift allowed us to establish towns and cities, leading to a more civilized society. Here, wealth began to shift away from physical strength and towards qualities like mental acumen, negotiation skills, creativity, persistence, intelligence, and determination. Fast forward to the third stage, the one we find ourselves in today, characterized by an unprecedented, sustained economic boom. Our quality of life has improved exponentially, especially over the past 2 centuries since the Industrial Revolution. In this stage, who are the wealthy? My theory is that the wealthiest individuals today are the ones who excel in technology. Consider the wealthiest people you know. They've amassed their fortunes by either leveraging technology or pioneering technological advancements. I'm not suggesting you need to create the next Tesla or Microsoft, but thanks to technology, regular folks like you can now start businesses, acquire new skills, and make money online more easily than ever before. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. How to achieve wealth. So, how can you harness technology to attain wealth? Here's a roadmap divided into 3 levels. Level 1. The Washington level. You probably have a decent 5-figure job but lack specific valuable skills. Your savings are minimal and your future plans are uncertain. Free time is spent unproductively on activities like gaming or social media. Your goal: make yourself more valuable and generate additional income alongside your main job. Level 2. The Hamilton level. You maintain a 9-to-5 job, but have started earning extra income from a side hustle or side business. Your savings have increased, ideally between $3,000 to $10,000. You've begun acquiring new skills. Your goal? Utilize your savings and newfound skills to create opportunities and boost your income. Level 3. The Jackson level. Your income experiences rapid growth as you generate new opportunities for yourself. You've expanded your existing business or launched new ones. You possess more disposable income. Your goal? Keep scaling your successful ventures and increase your earnings further. Bonus level, the Benjamin level. Only the top 1% reach this echelon. They have 7-figure incomes, multiple income streams, valuable assets, and often employ or collaborate with others. Your goal? Elevate your wealth to an even higher level. In level 3 and 4, consider investing in stocks, real estate, and other wealth-building ventures to accelerate your financial journey. Remember, the opportunities in this digital age are boundless. By capitalizing on technology, you can attain financial freedom, time freedom, and the freedom to choose your location. Whether you embark on a service-based business, content-focused enterprise, or sales-oriented venture, the key is to take action, maintain consistency, and keep learning. You possess the potential to achieve anything you desire in this life. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!